if you can use your own expertise, yung pinag-aralan mo, to make things more clear for other people.
Right.
For example, if you're in public health, maybe there's a way para, if you have the numbers ng mga, ito yung beds in the hospital, ganyan. Tapos ito yung budget, ganyan. If you can shed some light doon sa that aspect.
In your own milieu.
Yeah. And then parang, ito yung amount na hindi na ibigay because napunta sa ganito, sa ganyan. Ako, I use discourse analysis because I'm a language major. I work in journalism, in media, diba? So yun yung lens ko. So I think if more people will come out with their own lens, people will have more clarity kasi ang daming nangyayari, diba? I mean, there are so many ways to look at things. So para makita natin talaga yung gravity of the situation.